Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, an espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season WeatherTech floor mats, regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, magic vision control, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 23,770 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.